In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on a post in Reddit. Let's walk through this slowly so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters. Tags help organize your post, make it easier for people to find, and can sometimes be required by a community before you're allowed to publish. So taking a few extra seconds to add the right tags can really improve how your post performs. First, start by going to Reddit and making sure you're logged into your account. Once you're ready to create something new, look for the button or link that says Create a Post. You'll usually see this near the top of the homepage or at the top of a specific community page. Go ahead and click on Create a Post to open the post editor. In the editor, you can choose the type of content you want to share, like text, an image, a link, or something else depending on what the community allows. Take a moment to add your title and write out your post content. It's always a good idea to finish the main text of your post before worrying about tags, so you know exactly what your post is about and can choose the most accurate ones. Once your post content is ready, look for an option that says Add Tags or something similar. This might appear as a button, a drop-down, or a small link under the title or near the bottom of the post editor. Click on Add Tags. When you do this, Reddit will show you the available tags for that particular community. Some communities have tags like question, discussion, guide, or help. Others might have more specific ones tailored to that topic. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You might be asked to select one or more tags from a list, or in some cases, choose a required tag before you can post. If you're unsure which tag to use, pick the one that best matches the purpose of your post. For example, if you're asking for advice, choose something related to questions or help. If you're sharing information, look for tags like discussion or guide. After you've selected your tags, double check that everything in your post looks correct. The title, the body text, and the tags. When you're satisfied, you can go ahead and publish the post. By following the on-screen instructions and taking the time to add appropriate tags, you'll make your post clearer, easier to find, and more likely to reach the right audience.